Now in this video we are going to discuss about 11th standard computer science chapter 2 Boolean algebra part 2 video 3. Last class we discussed about what is mean by logic gates, and we discussed how to draw a AND logic gate. Okay, now in this class we are going to see the remaining fundamental logic gates and universal logic gates. OR gate. The OR gate gets its name from its behavior like the logical inclusive OR. That is, when you get true output in OR gate, at least any one of the input is true, the output is also true. At most all the inputs are 1, the output is also true. Okay, that is, any one of the input is true, your output is also true. Okay, the output is true if either or both of the inputs are true. If both inputs are false, then the output is false. Okay, in other words, you can also say like that, output will be 1 if and only if one or both inputs are 1, otherwise the output is 0. Here the statements are used to describe the two variable OR gate. Okay, so if both the variables inputs are 1, the output is also 1. If both the variables inputs are 0, the output is also 0, that is false. Okay, now you can see the logic gate for OR gate. So the logic symbol of the OR gate is we are passing two inputs A and B. Okay, so the curve OR gate symbol like this only. Okay, we just draw one curved line and then we can draw the logic gate for OR like this. Okay, C equal to A plus B. The OR gate output is C equal to A or B. Either we can use the symbol plus or you can use the logic name OR. Okay, C equal to A or B. Now we use the plus sign to denote the OR function. Therefore, C equal to A plus B. Read this statement as C equals A or B. Okay, how we can read this one? C equals A or B. Since there are two input variables here, the truth table has 4 entries. How we can say the truth table has 4 entries? What are the binary values? 0 and 1. Okay, so the base value for binary number system is true. How many variables are there? 2 variables are there. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 entries are possible. Okay, only 4 entries are possible. What are the possible inputs? You can able to give these 2 variables. Either you can give 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so these are the possible combination of inputs you can able to give for 2 variables. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So now you can see the example for this. For instance, if both the inputs are 1, C equal to A plus B. So we substitute the value for A and B. The value of A is 1 as well as the value of B is also 1. So 1 plus 1. What we get? We get, and the answer is also 1. That is, we are passing inputs for A is 1, that is true, and then variable B is also 1. Both the values are true. The output is also true. For that we getting the value is 1. Okay, the truth table for OR gate is given. Okay, so we are passing two inputs A and B, we get the output C. So the possible input combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So when both the inputs are false, the output is also false. Next we see that second input 0 1. So one of the input is true, so the output is also true. So 0 1, the output is 1. 1 0, again the output is also true. 1 1, the output is also true. Okay, so now you can see the NOT gate, not logical symbol. Okay, the NOT gate called a logical inverter. We already discussed, NOT operator. NOT operator is used to take the complement of the given number. Okay, we can also call it as inverter, logical inverter. As only one input. How many inputs you can able to pass? You can pass only one input to the NOT gate and we get the reverse of that given number as a output. Okay, it reverses the logical state. In other words, the output C is always the complement of the input. If you are passing the variable A, we get the output A complement. Okay, A bar. Okay, so the logical symbol of the NOT gate is we are passing the input A, the triangle symbol is used to represent the NOT gate. After the triangle you must put circle shape. Okay, so if you are giving only triangle means it considered as a buffer gate. That is, buffer gate is used to pass the same input, what we passed as a input, that same input we get as a output also. Okay, but NOT gate we are getting the inversion of the given input. For that we must put circle symbol. Okay, so triangle symbol, after the triangle you must put circle symbol to show the NOT gate. Okay, see this figure, this is the NOT gate's logic symbol. Okay, we are passing the input A, so the diagram is triangle symbol, after the triangle we must include one circle shape. This is used to denote a NOT gate. Okay, so C equal to A complement. So now you can see the Boolean function of NOT gate. C equal to NOT A, or otherwise we can also represent C equal to A complement. In Boolean algebra, the over bar, what is the symbol is used for NOT operator? Either we can use over bar or single apostrophe symbol. Okay, so the over bar stands for NOT operation. Therefore C equal to A complement. Now you can substitute the value for this NOT gate. Okay, we see the example. So C equals NOT A, or C equals the complement of A. If A is 1, A is 0, your input is false. Okay, so what is the output you can get? If the value of A is 0, we get the output is 1. Yes, so C equal to 0 complement. So complement invert means we just change the input value into the opposite form. That is, if you are passing 0 means we get the output true, that is 1. Okay, C equal to 0 complement is equal to 1. On the other hand, if A is 1, if the value of input A is 1 means 1 complement. 1 complement means what is the output we can get? We get the output as false. That is, C equal to 1 complement equal to 0. Okay. So now you can see the truth table for NOT gate. How many combinations are there? How many variables we are passing as a input? Only one variable. So 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Okay, we are having only two possible values, that is 0 or 1. Okay, here we are using only one input, so the base value is 2 and then number of variable is 1. A is alone a input variable. Okay, so number of variable is 1. 2 power 1 is equal to 2. So we are having only two inputs, that is 0 or 1 or 1 or 0. Now you can see the truth table. Input A 1 0, we are getting the output C, that is, if we are giving input as 1 we get the output 0, or if you are giving input as 0 we get the output 1, that is the opposite symbols are getting as a output. Okay, now you can see the NOR gate. NOR gate is the combination of OR and a NOT gate. Okay, we already studied NOR operator. NOR operator is the combination of NOT and OR operator. Okay, the same way the NOR gate circuit is an OR gate followed by an inverter, that is followed by an NOT gate. Okay, so it output is true if both the inputs are false. When you get the true output in NOR gate, if both the inputs are false, then we get the output as true, otherwise the output is false. Okay, so we can also specify the output. The only way to get 1 as output is to have both inputs 0. Otherwise, the output is 0. Okay. So, when you want to get the output is 1. Only way to get 1 as output is to have both inputs are 0. Okay. So, that is both the inputs are false, then we get the output as true. Otherwise, the output is 0. Okay. So now you can see the logic symbol and circuit for NOR gate. So the logic symbol of NOR gate is we are passing two inputs A and B, and then we draw the OR gate. How we can draw the OR gate? One curved line and then we join to this curved line. Okay, we get the OR gate symbol. After the OR gate we put one circle. This circle is used to indicate a NOT gate. Okay, so this is the logical symbol of NOR gate. See the logic circuit of the NOR gate. We are passing both inputs A and B. For OR gate, what is the output of OR gate? A plus B. Okay, we are passing this output to the NOT gate. So we can draw the NOT gate triangle with a circle symbol. We get the output C equal to A plus B, the whole complement. Either we can draw the logic circuit or logic symbol. Both of them are same only. Okay, so NOR gate, logic circuit and logic symbols are given. Okay, just the combination of OR and NOT gate is known as the NOR gate. Okay, OR and NOT gate is known as the NOR gate. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now you can see the output of NOR gate is C equal to A plus B, the whole complement. So read this as C equals not of A or B, or we can also read as C equals the complement of A or B. Okay, so for example, if both the inputs are 0, when you get the true output, when both the inputs are 0, we get the output as true. No, now we substitute the value of this A and B. What is the value you are taken? We take the input as 0. So C equal to 0 plus 0, the whole complement. 0 plus 0, what we get in OR gate? 0 plus 0 is also equal to 0. So 0 complement. 0 complement is equal to 1. Okay, so that is we invert the input. 0 complement means we get the output as 1. Okay, now you can see the truth table for NOR gate. So we are passing how many inputs is there? See this diagram, how many inputs we are passing? 2 inputs, A and B. So how many possible combinations of truth table we are having? Possible values. 2 power 2 is equal to 4 inputs is there. Okay, that is 4 combination of values is there. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So now you can see this truth table. Input, we are passing 2 inputs A and B, and we are getting the output C. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So when you get the true output, when both the inputs are false, we get the output as true. Otherwise the output is false. Okay, so 0, 0 means we get the output as true. Otherwise the output is false. Remaining all the input combination, it gives the output as false. 0, 1, 0, and then 1, 0, it gives the output 0. 1, 1 is also give the output 0. That is, I see this truth table. This truth table output is complement of the OR gate. Okay, when you get true output in OR gate, at least any one of the input is true, we get the output is also true. When you get the false, when both the inputs are false, the output is also false in OR gate. Okay, we just take the complement of OR gate, we get the output of this NOR gate. Okay, now you can see the coupled AND gate. Okay, so what does mean by coupled AND gate? We know AND gate. AND gate is the combination of we can draw the AND gate for 2 variables or more than 2 variables. Okay, we just invert the input before going to the AND gate. That is known as a coupled AND gate. Okay, so see this logical diagram, the logic circuit of coupled AND gate. We are passing 2 input A and B. Directly you are not giving to the AND gate. We just invert the input by using NOT gate. Okay, A complement A, and then triangle shape, and then you put circle shape. That is a NOT gate circuit. Okay, so we passing input A to this NOT gate, we get the output A complement, and then we are passing B input to the NOT gate, we get the output as also B complement. Next we are passing this A complement and B complement to the AND gate. What is the output you can get? C equal to A complement dot B complement. Okay, so why we are called coupled AND gate? You see this symbol, we are using circle shape before to this AND gate. No, so we call it as a coupled AND gate. Okay, so we get the output C equal to A complement dot B complement. So in the previous circuit, inverters on the input lines of the AND gate gives the output as C equal to A complement dot B complement. What we included? We include the inverter. So inverter of this input lines. This circuit can be redrawn. We can also redrawn that circuit as the bubbles on the inputs, where the bubbles represent inversion. Okay, we already studied, no? AND gate, NOT gate is also represented by the circle symbol. Okay, so see this diagram, A, B. We just include one circle before this AND gate. This circle is used to intimate we are inverting the input and passing this input to the AND gate. So we call this as a bubbled AND gate. We are see this bubbled only. See this diagram. A bubble symbol, that is circle symbol, is only appear before to this AND gate. So we call it as a bubbled AND gate. Okay, we are passing the input A and B to the AND gate. Before passing directly to this AND gate, we just invert this input and passing to the AND gate. We get the output C equal to A complement into B complement. Okay, so we refer this as bubbled AND gate. Let us analyze this logic circuit for all input possibilities. Okay, so how many variables are given? A and B. So how many combinations of inputs are possible? 4 combinations. Okay, 2 power 2 is equal to 4 combination inputs are possible. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now you can substitute all these values in the bubbled AND gate. So 0 complement dot 0 complement, what we get? 0 complement is 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. We get the output is 1. And the next one is 0 complement dot 1 complement. So what we get? 0 complement is 1 and then 1 complement is 0. So 1 into 0 is equal to 0. And then 1 complement dot 0 complement. 1 complement is 0. Complement means what we have to do? We just invert the value, that is reverse a number. If the input number is 1 and then output is 0. If the input is 0, the output is 1. Okay, so 0 into 1, again we get the output is also 0. And then fourth input is 1 complement dot 1 complement. So 1 complement means what is the output you can get? 0 dot 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the truth table of bubbled AND gate. We are passing the input A and B, we get the output as C. Okay, so 0, 0 means what is the output? Where the output is 1. 0, 1, we get the output as 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0. We see this output is similar to the NOR gate. Okay, so NOR gate and bubbled AND gate outputs are same. So you can see that a bubbled AND gate produce the same output as a NOR gate. So you can replace each NOR gate by a bubbled AND gate. Okay, so whenever we can draw NOR gate, that place we can also use a bubbled AND gate. In other words, the circuits are interchangeable. You can interchange the circuit of NOR gate by bubbled AND or bubbled AND gate by NOR gate. Okay, so see this truth table, NOR truth table as well as bubbled AND truth table. Both the truth table gives the same output. Okay, so therefore A plus B the whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar, which established the De Morgan's first theorem. So De Morgan's law we studied in 10th standard. No, what is the De Morgan's first law? A plus B the whole complement equal to A complement into B complement. So this satisfies this truth tables are used to satisfy the De Morgan's first theorem. Okay, class we discuss about bubbled AND gate. Okay, and NAND gate. Thank you, students.